Why are America's wealthiest families quietly moving millions into gold IRAs? It started with a phone call from a family office in West Palm Beach. We're seeing too much instability. It's time to protect what we've built. That call led to a $1.75 million rollover from a diversified portfolio into physical gold. And that story, it's not unique. Right now, the wealthiest 1%, the ones with access to the best advisors, the deepest research, and the most at stake, are quietly insulating their wealth. And the tool they're using isn't new. It's trusted. It's stable. It's a gold IRA. Here's why. Look at the headlines. U.S. debt hits record high at $34.7 trillion. China and Russia accelerate de-dollarization. Trump warns of looming economic collapse if Fed doesn't act. Whether you agree with President Trump or not, the uncertainty is real. Inflation may have eased slightly, but core prices remain sticky. And if you're nearing retirement, you can't afford another 2008. Family offices know this. That's why they're reallocating. Let me tell you about another real case, David and Sandra McMillan. David retired early after selling his logistics firm in Scottsdale. They had just over $2.4 million in combined retirement accounts. Their goal? Leave a legacy, not just survive off their savings. After weeks of research and a no-pressure call they almost didn't take, they rolled $530,000 into a gold IRA. That was 18 months ago. Since then, gold has risen over 20%, while the S&P stumbled and bond yields got crushed by inflation. David told us this wasn't about returns. It was about resilience. And here's the kicker. They started with the exact free guide I'm about to offer you. So let's get real. Why are gold IRAs becoming the go-to for smart retirees and legacy-focused families? Because unlike paper assets, gold is not someone else's promise. It can't be printed, devalued, or inflated away. When banks collapse, currencies shift, or markets tank, gold holds. A gold IRA lets you move part of your 401k or IRA into physical gold, stored safely and securely while keeping the tax advantages. It's 100% IRS approved, and the rollover process, way simpler than most people think. But here's the truth no one talks about. Most people wait until after a crisis to diversify. But the smartest money moves before the chaos hits. So, if you're an American retiree with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k, and you care about protecting what you've built rather than chasing gains, you owe it to yourself to get this free gold IRA guide. There's no pressure, no free silver gimmicks, just a real one-on-one call with someone who listens, educates, and helps you see if it's even a good fit. Remember David and Sandra? They said the guide answered questions they didn't even know to ask. So here's your moment. Click below. Request your free gold IRA guide. Take the short, no obligation call. And start building the retirement you can actually depend on. You worked hard to get here. Now it's time to protect it, for you and for the next generation.